So hello everyone. So coming to the second chapter, that is the chapter number 18th of this series. Exactly, it is in the series. It is second chapter, but then in your book it is the 18th chapter. That is test paper one. So here we have to test our knowledge. So let us test ourselves. So the first one is, which fruit has the highest calories? And the name of the fruit is avocado. Avocado. The next one, which part of isabgol is useful to us? You might have heard about isabgol. So which part? It's husk, the outer covering. The next one is, name the fastest fish. The fastest fish in the world is sailfish. Which plant is also known as dhatura? That is Jimson weed. Name the extinct most common bird. Extinct means which is no more. Bird of North America, and the name, this is the place, and the name of the bird which is no more, that is passenger's pigeon. Passenger pigeon. Now let's proceed to the tick to the correct answers, whatever the correct answers are. Which animal can recognize itself in a mirror? Means we call that only humans can recognize. Only humans can recognize, but there is one animal as well, and the name is chimpanzee. The next one, which system of medicine uses thin needles? Means in which system of medicines we have to use thin needles, and the system is acupuncture. Acupuncture. Next, chemotherapy is required for the treatment of which disease? This is very common, that is cancer, in which mostly the hairs or they blown off. What is the vital, means very important, for building hormones? And cell membrane. Cell membrane, everybody knows, the outer boundary of cell. Hormones means some chemical substances used for your growth. So what is most important? That is cholesterol in your body is very important. Name the unit of light intensity. This you will be studying a lot in +1. That is called candela. And then we have to identify some pictures, and we have to write the name of the persons or animals or whatever has been there. The first person, he is Tim Berners-Lee. This beetle is known as Atlas beetle. Now this is like a spaceship. This is called Skylab, and he is the person whom we call Carl Landsteiner. And the last one are the eyes of doll. They are doll's eyes.